Want to start using Rowy for database management, app development, and workflow automation. Before you can create tables and manage your data, you'll need to set up your Rowy account. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a Rowy account in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to the Rowy website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. Rowy may offer different sign-up methods depending on the current platform options. If you're registering with an email address, enter your details and create a secure password. If social sign-in options are available, you can choose one of those for a faster setup. After submitting your information, check your inbox for a verification email. Click the verification link to confirm your account and activate access. Once verified, sign in to your new account and complete any onboarding steps. You may be asked to create a workspace, select preferences, or choose a project setup. After setup is complete, take a few moments to explore the Rowy dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the navigation menu, database tools, tables, and project settings. Now you're ready to create your first workspace, database, or project. This is where you'll begin organizing data and building applications with Rowy. And that's how to create a Rowy account in 2026. Once your account is ready, you can start building databases, managing workflows, and exploring Rowy's powerful features. So create your account and start your first project today. Thanks for watching.